Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Anonymous Coders. So here we are going to start a new series for Java programming languages, and we will be covering all the concept from core Java, advanced Java like Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, REST APIs, connectivity with the database like SQL, Oracle, MongoDB, and at the end of the series, I will be developing a end-to-end web application for you, including front end and back end, to so that you can learn how can you develop a complete web application using Java and some other front end languages. So if you are an engineering student from a computer science background or from a non-computer science background, and you are looking for a career in programming, Java is from one of those popular languages which you must know to start your career. Or if you are a fresher, or even if you are an experienced person in some other technology and you want to switch your career in programming, then definitely you should learn the Java programming language. Let's, without wasting the time, let's start with the core Java. So what is core Java actually? Core Java is a backend programming languages. We can also say it is a server-side programming language. Here you can write all the code where you are putting all your logic. Suppose if you are developing a web application, I am just talking in the website perspective. So whenever you will be clicking on any button, you will be invoking some function, and that will be giving you some result. So what is happening exactly after clicking on that button, and how are you getting that data which is being shown to you after clicking on that button? So that all will be happening in the background, in the back end, in the Java programming language. So if you are new to Java, or if you already know to Java, we will be covering many of the concepts here which will definitely help you and you will learn a lot. So this is our first video, so here I will be just giving you the overview of Java programming language. In our upcoming videos we will be picking each and every topic and we will be discussing in detail, and definitely we will be writing so many codes to clear the concepts and understand the concepts thoroughly. So Java is a programming language which runs on JVM. What is JVM actually? So JVM is a Java virtual machine. Why it is required? It is really very required to make the platform independent applications. So yeah, this is again one benefit of Java. In Java you can write the platform independent codes. But how can you exactly write the platform independent code? Because you will be writing the code in Java, but internally after writing the code, when you will be compiling the code, it will create a dot class file which will be a bytecode, and that bytecode will be executed to run the program and to show you the output. But how will it happen exactly? So it happens with the help of JRE. What is JRE? JRE is a Java runtime environment which provides a runtime environment for all the codes which is written in Java. It will use the all the dot class files which are also known as the bytecodes to execute and show you the output. So ultimately why JVM is required? So JVM is actually a machine dependent terminology. If you are running the same Java code on laptop, you need a JVM for your laptop. If you are running the same code in your mobile or on some other device, you need the JVM compatible for that device. So definitely you need a JVM compatibility with the device in which you are going to run the Java program. But the code which you have written is completely device independent or platform independent. Whatever you write, whatever function you are writing, and whatever logic you have written to get the output, it is going to execute the same logic and it is going to give you the same output in all the devices just because of JVM. And again, Java is like very flexible programming language, easy to learn, and it's highly recommended in IT industry. It is very secure, very robust. If any company is working in a banking sector, or if you are making any website related to banking, um, amount transfers, so there in general Java language will be used. So let's discuss some basic points here. OOPS concept. OOPS concept is the object oriented programming. What is object? Object is something which is you can consider from your real life, like if you if you take example of a human being, so we all are human beings, but if I want to point out a particular person, suppose from a group of a human being, if I want to point out a person John, so John is an object who belongs to a class which is human being. So here in Java, each and everything we are going to consider as an object. Like if you see here, I have written some of the terms which we will be using in Java. So all these things are in Java, and like arrays, collections, strings. So these things will be considered as an object in Java. So since this is our first video, I'm not going in detail again. I will be just giving an overview, and in our upcoming videos we will be discussing all those things in detail. So class, what is class? Class is the thing which will be having some common qualities, common properties, and based on that you can categorize them. Object, if you want to point out a specific thing from that class, then that will be the object of that class, or you need the object of that class to point out the specific thing. Polymorphism, as the name tells, it will be having many forms, so you can use the same function to perform multiple operations. Or if you are not, if I give you the real life example, like you can use the same car to ride and make yourself reach from your home to office or office to home. But at the same time you can use the same car to put in any ride sharing uh, apps, and you can make others also to reach from one destination to other destination. So same car can be used for multiple purpose. So this is how you achieve polymorphism. Inheritance, again the name, as the name tells, this is something coming from the parent in child. Like um, child will be having similar kind of eyes as his parent is having. He will be having similar kind of a smile as his father or mother is having. So this is how inheritance is coming in Java. Like a child class will be getting all the properties from his parent class. Encapsulation and abstraction. So these are the two things which are very controversial, and we will be discussing it in our upcoming videos. So yeah, this is how we are going to cover all the topics. And yeah, and this is like a very quick and short video. We haven't even opened any IDE, we haven't written any of the code. So yeah, definitely in our upcoming videos we will be doing our hands dirty in the code and understanding all the concepts thoroughly with the help of coding examples. So if you have any doubts or if you have any question, you can comment down below. I will be making a separate video if you are having any doubt or questions, or if you want to understand a specific topic. Also you can comment down below. So do like, do subscribe to our channel if you want to part of this Java programming series. Thank you.